since it's so beautiful, I'm eating my dinner on my balcony. I have a chair. It's just sitting on the floor right now. You can't really see my dinner, but it's spaghetti. I don't know how well I'm gonna eat in the dark. This will probably be very gross because you're feeling my mouth. I honestly don't know why I make this. This is gonna be a little bit gross, but I'm gonna have to sit you guys down so I can open my water. Okay. Opening my water. There, I opened the water. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Warning, this might be a little gross here in my house. I don't know what I'm doing for. Is it raining? Also, for those of you who live in California, or Oregon, or Washington, I live in California. You can all relate that the smoke was going kind of away, you know. It's back. Hold on, I need another plate. Why am I filming me eating dinner? Okay. Why am I doing this? Okay. How about we talk about the time my cousin death threatened me? Yeah, that's a good conversation to start. Okay, so we got in the fight over a stupid thing. And the fight is so stupid, I just cry if I even shared it. Okay. And yes, I started the fight. Okay. So basically, we were just yelling at each other in text. And keep in mind, this is not child abuse. He was 9 and I was 8. Yes, my mom let me text at 8. Except, I was only allowed to text the numbers she put on there, so don't worry. So, blabbing our little childish mouths off, saying, shut up, shut up. He death threatened me. He got his emoji, which was this, like, fierce person holding a gun. And he got my emoji crying with the gun by his head. I'm sorry, but that is a death threat right there. Honestly, I didn't even cry. I just laughed. And then I death threatened him. Yes, at the age of 8, I death threatened him again. Another fight, stupid, keep in mind, I started out both of these. And I death threatened him back. And yes, he just laughed. So he was kind of making fun of me, like, because I like classic Mickey Mouse. You don't come make fun of me, dude. But yeah, we're friends again. We're friends again, and if he ends up actually watching this, which is rare because my cousin doesn't care for my YouTube channel, then hopefully he won't want me to remove this, but maybe comment your favorite song. I either like I Feel Like a Monster or Animal I've Become. 2 really good songs. Okay, I'm gonna sit you guys down. Okay. So I have this office chair, if you can even see it. So, yeah. What's your favorite song artist? I like 3 Days Grace, or however you say it. I don't really have time to read the band. Or 21 Pilots, another really good person. Band thing? I don't know. Anybody got Discord? I have a Discord, I just haven't really figured it out yet. And I'll probably end up deleting it. I also have Among Us. I'm kind of a noob over here. I don't know what to do. So if you could comment me the instructions, then yeah. And also my fan page. Go to my last video to go check it out. She only has one video, but still subscribe to her. I can't believe I have a fan page. Okay. We went from talking about song artists to talking about fan pages. Do you guys know who Piper Raquel is? Channel in description. Very, very good YouTuber. And Gavin Magnus. Okay. We're not almost done because I'm talking too much. Anybody got Instagram? I know most of my viewers don't really have Instagram, but I do. So if you want to go follow my Instagram, it is the one random mocha. Very random name. And let me just sit you guys down. Okay. Okay. Oh, do you guys want to see my kitty? Hello, kitty. Let me grab him. Get back here. I got the cat. Okay. Can anybody see him? No, you can't see him. No, don't go back in there. Hope you guys saw some of him. Okay. There's a random brown spot on the ground. We don't have a dog, so. Except we did. I guess I can talk about that. So my old friend, maybe we can do story time on her in just a minute, was getting rid of dogs so mom could handle 3 dogs and 3 children. Which I understand totally. So we took the dog. Little did we know that was a big mistake, and also my friend had a sleepover that night. We ended up doing walks till 1 in the morning because that thing wouldn't shut up. Not talking about why I'm not friends with that girl anymore. Of course, one day my little brother was like, okay, I'm gonna start some freaking drama. Whispered something in their ear. They both started laughing and looking at me. So I'm like, what did you say? What'd you say? And then saying nothing. Yeah, that's my voice impression of it. And I kind of overreacted a little bit, I have to be honest. Bish, don't talk bad about me. So, that was the last of her. After I yelled at her, told her that I wanted her dead. I overreacted a lot, okay? I didn't really tell it to her face. I told it to my mum, but I said it like very loud. So yeah. Okay, I'm almost done. Why am I doing this? Okay. So comment down below something I should do. Comment down below some dares. Please. I really need some dares. As you know, I'm trying to start an account. No, not on account. A dare video. So if you could comment some dares, that'd be pretty helpful. Okay. My neighbors are probably looking through their windows like, what is this girl doing? Why is she talking to somebody while eating on her balcony when it's kind of cold wearing shorts? Honestly, I don't know either why I'm doing this. I really don't want to let you guys go. It's weird. I feel like there's just somebody in the room with me who can't talk, but I'm still talking to them. Like, that oddly sounds creepy in a way, but like, it sounds like I have a friend. And also to the people who, if anybody got offended by my friend video, believe me, you are my friend. It's just, I don't really like counting people's friends because I don't know if they count me as a friend. So yeah, just, if you did get offended, I'm so sorry. You are my friend. Okay? Okay? But, don't mind the TV. Okay, I'm gonna go now so I can just hurry, finish up and eat and go to bed. So, well, not go to bed, but bye.